Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding multidrug-resistant tuberculosis, MDR-TB. 1. Multidrug-resistant TB, MDR-TB, is a form of TB disease caused by a strain of M. tuberculosis complex that is resistant to rifampicin and isoniazid. 2. Balm regimen is used for the treatment of MDR-TB. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct. MDR-RRTB definition usually refers to either multidrug-resistant TB, MDR-TB, or rifampicin-resistant TB, RRTB. Multidrug-resistant TB, MDR-TB, is a form of TB disease caused by a strain of M. tuberculosis complex that is resistant to rifampicin and isoniazid. Statement 2 is correct. Balm regimen is used for the treatment of MDR-TB. This 6-month all-oral treatment regimen comprises bedaquiline, pritamanid, linezolid, and moxifloxacin. The 6% equalization levy in India is applicable on which of the following services? A. Online advertising services. B. Export of consultancy services. C. Sale of luxury goods in India. D. E-commerce supply chain services. Answer is option A. The 6% equalization levy in India is primarily aimed at foreign digital service providers. This tax was introduced by the Indian government to address the challenge of taxing digital companies that operate in India without having a significant physical presence. Such companies often earn revenue through online advertisements and e-commerce activities, and the levy ensures they contribute to the tax system similarly to domestic businesses. Government is now proposing to abolish this levy. Thank you.